there is something you can do, and it's the Dean Jackson re-engagement email. Okay, if you never heard about this, this is a great strategy we've used, and it's a 9-word email. You're going to be really, really floored by this. Okay, first of all, the Dean Jackson re-engagement email. It's a powerful strategy for increasing subscriber and engagement. It increases open rates, okay, especially with a dead list. Okay, it is designed that way to revive a dead or inactive list. Okay, and most people actually make fast sales, especially in the high ticket industry with it. All right, so not too long ago, we re-engaged a pretty dead list of over 10,000 subscribers, and it resulted in an astounding 33.7% open rate. Okay, and massive engagement led to 12 sales at $50, $77 each. Okay, so that's a lot. Okay, and we had a lot of people actually do this. Now, we taught our students how to do this, and there's a course on this as well. But here's what I'm going to give you the straight up gist, Sarah. This is what you do. You send one email. Okay, and in this email, okay, you do the following. Okay, you're going to send in the first email, and then you're going to actually put in the subject line the first name, if you have it. Okay, the first name fix, which is basically the code that will take the name of the first name of your subscriber automatically and place it in the subject line for you. And if you don't have the first name, I want you to replace it with this word, question. Put the word question, all lowercase, because you want to get 100% in inboxing. So put it all lowercase, question. Now, what do you put in the body of the content? 9 words. Are you still interested in firing your boss and working online from home? Okay, maybe more than 9 words, but here's the thing. The point is, you ask one question in that line. Okay, and Dean Jackson is a copywriter. He actually done this, and it works. Okay, don't screw it up by putting your name, your picture, and your signature and everything. Leave it blank. You don't even have to say who you are. You can just put that one question and leave it blank. Okay, and it's awesome because when they reply, you're going to see in your inbox replies from your list that you never even heard from these people before. And now you're going to send out the second email for the reply. What is the reply going to be? The reply is going to be for only positive responders. Forget about the ones that say F off and don't ever email me again. I'm not interested. Great. Goodbye. Unsubscribe. I don't care about you. What I care about is the ones that says, yes, I'm still interested. I want to fire my boss. Right? Or whatever question you asked them and they responded. So you say, hey, first name, I appreciate you getting back to me. My apologies if I'm late in responding, but I had a ton of responses to wade through. Anyway, my number one goal is to help you make your first $1,000 online as fast as humanly possible. And I want to help you make more money in 1 month than you ever did in a single year. And in that process, you're going to love the freedom that's going to come with it, and your family's going to love it too. So once you watch this short video that I've provided a link to for you to watch, I want you to get on a call with me as soon as possible. You got that? Keep me posted. Can you do that? Leave a question mark at the end. Put the link to your video presentation, whatever it is you want to show them. Talk soon and leave your name. That will really change things around.